you need to make people like these raving fans, and I call them evangelists. Like when I jump on a one-on-one phone call with you,
Tony Robbins said that.
one that we didn't record, by the way. It was just you and me. Nobody ever heard that conversation the two of us had. So many people be like, John, how can you justify the time that you spent with just one person? You're making millions of dollars per year, but you're having a one-on-one phone. I'm like, do you realize now that Liberty like knows that I actually care about her, because I do, that I care about like thoughts, feelings, wants, desires, and I do. And the evangelist that I turned you into for Entrepreneurs on Fire, just like I'm an evangelist for what you do now from our conversation, because I'm like the passion that she has and the excitement that, and all these different things, like that fires me up. And so like by having that one-on-one conversation, we became evangelists for each other. And now we're out there, next time I hear somebody talking about you, I'm going to be like, it's just such a great person. Multiple conversations I've had, like just doing great things in the world.
Yeah, thank you. Same thing that Gary Vaynerchuk says. And I met Gary Vaynerchuk, and I will never, ever, ever stop talking about him. He's been on my YouTube channel. He doesn't really talk to me much anymore. He's got so much going on, but I get his text. I mean, I don't think I've ever actually purchased anything from him yet, because I haven't made any money off my business yet. But trust me, I'm gonna buy things from him, and I'm always gonna talk about him.
I've got 3 Gary Vaynerchuk K-Swiss shoes because that guy's just done nothing but delivered value to me over the years. I remember when I saw him in person multiple times, like, I've had him on the show just, like you. And I mean, I've interviewed him and it's been great. And we built up, not like a close friendship, but, we know of each other, etc. And like, he looked me in the eye and he said, John, I am so proud of you for the work that you've put in. And, honestly, that was back in like 2015, 5 years ago. I've never forgotten that. I've told that story a million times. Him just saying those words to me and meaning it, because I could see by the look in his eye, he knew.
It's real.
Busted my butt, and that for him to recognize it, it was all the difference in the world. And I've been raving about that ever since, that one sentence that he said to me. So a great example you brought up, and it's just so, so true. And by the way, I'm going to let it slide that you listen to another podcast besides Entrepreneurs on Fire.
No more. Never again. Never again.
Listen, Jim Quick is an amazing dude. I've had him on my show. I love that guy.
I got to listen. Okay,
he's
I'm gonna
awesome.
check that one out.
It's a good episode.
Cross promotion, that's what I'm getting at. But